Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Domino's Pizza Delivery UK and ROI app is and how it's positioned. Domino's Pizza Delivery UK and ROI is an official pizza ordering and delivery app developed by Domino's Pizza Group that lets users browse the menu, customize pizzas, place orders for delivery or takeaway, and access exclusive deals in the United Kingdom and Republic of Ireland, according to the app's official store descriptions. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. According to its verified app listings, the core documented purpose of the app is to order pizzas and other menu items from local Domino's stores with options for delivery to your door or takeaway collection. The app may be useful for users who want to scroll through the easy order menu to select classic pizzas or try new combinations, including the ability to create and save your own custom pizza for future orders. Official sources show that you can find and apply exclusive pizza deals and vouchers to your order in the app, potentially saving money compared to standard menu prices. The app also supports group ordering, where multiple people can add items to the same order by sending an invite to collaborators. You may be able to pre-order pizza for a later time, letting you schedule delivery or collection ahead of when you actually want to eat. Documented descriptions mention that you can pay quickly using methods like card, PayPal, or Apple Pay and then track the progress of your pizza as it moves toward completion. For users interested in a dedicated app for browsing Domino's pizza options, placing orders, and accessing deals specific to the UK and Ireland, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.